A mobile phone truly becomes smart with the right apps. Here are 20 essential smartphone apps you didn't know you needed. First up, Herdly. This app compresses bestsellers to just 10% of their original length, offering 8-minute audio and video summaries powered by AI. It saves you valuable reading time every day. Next, we have Twilight. Twilight protects your eyes from harmful blue light by reducing its intensity on smartphone screens at night, promoting better sleep. You can also adjust the screen's yellowness for comfortable use and enhanced eye protection. And now, Popeye, your personal AI workspace that offers a wide range of features including reading PDFs, blogging, resume building, coding solutions, flowchart creation, presentation creation, LinkedIn post generation, and more. Tasker allows you to create automated rules and scenarios for your smartphone. For example, you can set it to change your ringtone while you're at work or turn off data when your battery is low. Your personal AI assistant on WhatsApp. Effortlessly integrate it with your WhatsApp account, whether you're using the app on your phone or the web version. This app helps you manage and extend your smartphone's battery life. It provides detailed information about battery usage, temperature, and overall health, allowing you to optimize your battery consumption and prolong its lifespan. Want to use the dynamic island notifications from the iPhone 15 Pro on your Android device? With Dynamic Spot, it's easy to achieve. A fantastic password manager that securely stores all your passwords and makes them easily accessible on your Android device. It features a strong password generator and autofill options for quick, secure logins, simplifying password management. An AI art generator for creating customizable designs. Use stock IMG to produce AI-generated art, including stickers, wallpapers, logos, and posters. Screen Master, a rootless screenshot and photo annotation tool. It allows you to easily capture screens on your Android device by clicking a floating button or shaking your device. Cam Scanner. This app allows users to take pictures of documents and convert them into editable PDF files using their smartphone camera. It's perfect for anyone working with documents, making scanning and archiving quicker and easier. Notion, a versatile note-taking and organization app that combines tasks, wikis, and databases. It allows users to manage projects and collaborate with others effectively. 13. Todoist, a powerful task manager that helps you organize tasks and projects efficiently. It features due dates, reminders, and the ability to collaborate with others, making it great for personal and professional use. 14. Trello, a project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to help you organize tasks visually. It's perfect for managing projects with teams or personal to-do lists. 15. Google Keep, a simple note-taking app that allows users to capture ideas quickly with text, voice, or images. It's great for creating checklists and reminders that sync across devices. 16. Headspace, a mindfulness and meditation app that offers guided meditations and relaxation techniques. It's an excellent tool for reducing stress and improving focus. 17. MyFitnessPal, a comprehensive fitness and nutrition app that helps users track their meals and workouts. It includes a large food database and offers personalized fitness goals. 18. Mint. It's a personal finance app that allows users to track their spending, create budgets, and manage bills. It provides insights into financial health and helps users save money. 19. Google Drive, a cloud storage service that allows users to store files and collaborate on documents with others in real time. It's an essential tool for file sharing and organization. 20. Canva, a graphic design app that makes it easy to create stunning visuals for social media, presentations, and more. It features templates and drag-and-drop functionality for quick design. These apps provide a wide range of functionalities to enhance productivity, organization, and overall smartphone experience.